Hey everyone, my name is Ree, and today I wanted to show you how easy it is to use AI on LinkedIn to generate leads, engage with potential clients, employers, employees, and future partners. And of course, build your network. All in a few clicks with Clicksy Assistant. Step number one is importing profiles. With Clicksy, you can grab people from Smart Search over here, or you can take people from Post Engaged, or people from regular search, LinkedIn events, or even upload your own list. But today I'll show you two quick examples from completely different worlds just to show how flexible it is. But keep in mind, you can build your list based on who you actually looking for. It's not limited to these two cases. So for instance, I want to see who's hiring and I'm searching for a talent acquisition manager, and I click here and see who's actively hiring. Now I have lots of filters. I can narrow down my search. I don't need first connection, so second, third. I need people from the United States. I can also choose the industry, company, etc. Now it's gonna show me some results. Let's do a new list. Now I'll save them into a list. So I click add more profiles. Now you see Clicksy grabs people from first 5 pages. I'm not doing anything. Let's name this list talent acquisition managers. Okay. And later I can choose how to engage with them. Now I'll show you another example. I want to grab people who's attending an event. So for this purpose, I click here, events, and here's a LinkedIn event called Optimize LinkedIn Profile to Stand Out. And I believe everyone's attending this event is clearly interested in growing their LinkedIn presence. And now I'll add them into a new list and I'll name it LinkedIn Growth Audience, and I can engage with them later as well. So now let's talk about step 2. You already noticed that I added people to those lists. Once your profiles are added, you just pick the list you want to work with. You can name it, upload your own list, or even download what you've built there. And now, the most important step is step number 3, where you can pick your actions. You can comment on their post to increase your visibility. You can invite them with a custom note. You can add tags such name, title, or company. You can create lots of templates. You can save your templates, or you can message them directly if they are already your first degree connection. Also, you can enrich the list with phone numbers and emails if you want to reach them outside of LinkedIn. All from this one simple extension. Also, we have some advanced settings. For instance, if you want to comment, of course, you want to engage with some fresh post, right? So here you can choose how recent the post is. Also, you can customize the maximum profiles you're extracting. And there are some other settings you can play around later. And that's it. Pretty simple, right?